Hey everyone, Bill, 33 Mile Bees here. Got a new toy for Christmas. Just thought I'd come out and try it out and see what these are all looking like. So they've chewed out a entrance way in that one, but yeah, that one there is a dead out. Got no heat signature on that one. But each one of these entrance ways that's pretty neat. Can't really tell the heat signature because I have them wrapped like up on the hive. So I'm just kind of going off of the entrances here. And then that's another one that didn't make it by the looks of it. I took the entrance reducer out. Yeah, that one don't look good. So not too bad. Right now it's 54 degrees here in southeast Michigan. So compared to about a week ago where we had minus 30 wind chill, so yeah, about a 80-degree swing in about a week. So not too bad. Out of the 22 hives that I have here at the main apiary, there's 2 open spots. There's one down there. I got rid of a couple of the hives that weren't very strong, so I knew they weren't going to make it anyways. But yeah, not too bad. Looks like 3 of them didn't make it through the cold snap, but hard to say if it was from the cold, the wind, moisture, mites. I'll have to look into it later. So we'll check this out another time. Maybe I'll take this up to the north apiary and check out those 6 up there. But thanks for watching. Phil, 33 Mile Bees.